In this video, I'll detail how to fix left earpod not working. So if you have an AirPod, whether AirPod Pro or AirPod Pro 3, and you discover that the left AirPod is not working, then this video is going to walk you through probably what you can do to fix this. So if on one condition there is a physical damage on your AirPod, this might not be able to fix it. But if there is no any physical damage, then this is probably going to be the best solution to you to fixing the left AirPod not working. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you discover that your left AirPod is not working, the first thing I advise people to do is go ahead and charge the AirPod for a couple of minutes or up to an hour. So connect your charging to the AirPod charging case. So once connected, you're going to see whether this is charging or not. Then let this be for a couple of hours or like one or more. Then thereafter, you can just disconnect the charger. Then try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone and see whether both AirPods are fully charged. Then go ahead and connect it like this. You see I have 100% on both AirPods. Then confirm the left AirPod that is not working and see if it is fully charged. Then you see I have both the left AirPod and right AirPod charged to 100%. Then the AirPod should work now. However, if it is still not working, this is what you need to do next. Go to your iPhone and go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. Then locate your AirPods, click on it, click on the information icon. Once selected that, tap forget this device, then forget the device. Forget the device again. Thereafter, you should see that your AirPod is no longer available on the list. Now, what you want to do here is this. Go back to the AirPods, press and hold the button at the back, press it firmly for a couple of seconds to do a factory reset on the AirPods. And once the AirPod is reset, then you can go ahead and pair the AirPod with your iPhone again. Now, once this is done, then close the AirPod lid, take your iPhone, open the AirPods again, then pair or connect the AirPod with your iPhone by clicking on the connect button. Then go ahead and press the back button, press and hold it, keep pressing until this put your AirPod into the pairing mode. Then you should see connecting. Then after a couple of seconds and after several beeps, possibly, your AirPods and your iPhone will be connected together. Then go ahead and click on continue. Once you hit the continue button, you should see your AirPods and your iPhone connected together again. Then remove the left AirPods, try play some music or put a code through on your iPhone and see whether you'll be able to hear or the left earbud will be working again. If this is still not working, then you probably need to set or update your AirPod firmware. How do you update your AirPod firmware? What you just need to do is this. While your AirPods and your iPhone are both connected together, on your iPhone, go to settings. On the settings page, just need to scroll down, locate Bluetooth, then click on the information icon on your AirPod Pro. Then here, you need to search whether there is available firmware available for your AirPod Pro or not. How do you find out this? Just scroll down to get to about. Under about, tap version. And here, on this version page, hang on for a couple of minutes for your iPhone and your AirPod, where both are open together, to update the AirPod Pro to latest firmware. Once updated, then you can go ahead and confirm whether the AirPod is not working again. Then, if the AirPod Pro is still not working and the AirPod charging case is fully charged, then you need to check whether there are debris preventing the AirPod charging connector from connecting to the charging case on your AirPod Pro charging case, then to charge the AirPod, thereby making the AirPod dead. If I just drop this, then go ahead and get a cutting board like this. Then there are two coding points inside the AirPod charging case. Just use this to clean both gently. Do not use a methylated spirit at this point. So just use it to clean it gently. Then once you're done, you want to get a polyphilic cotton or absorbent cotton and then clean the charging connector on the AirPod, on the left AirPod or right AirPod, depending on which of the AirPods is not working. Then go ahead and clean it gently to avoid scratch. Then once you're done, go ahead, fix this back, close delete, then start charging your AirPods. So charge this for additional 30 minutes to see whether the right AirPod or left AirPod not working is going to be charged, and then you can use it thereafter. So this is all you need to do to fix right or left AirPods not working. If you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.